Are you new to SPSS? I'm wondering where to even begin with entering your data. Don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through step by step how to enter your variable and data correctly into SPSS so that your analysis doesn't fall apart before it even begins. I'm Turnwait Otu Michael, and this is t.mikeprojectsolutions. So grab a copy of your questionnaire or data sets. Open up SPSS and let's get started. This is a questionnaire which we will use for our data entry. Parental involvement and social well-being questionnaire to examine the influence of parental involvement on the social well-being of adolescents in selected secondary schools. The questionnaire has socio-demographic variables, including age, at last birthday, school type, public and school and private school. Do you like your school? Question, yes, no. School description, in one word, describe your school. Then in section B of the questionnaire, parental involvements. Here, for each of the following, please stick to rate how strongly you agree or disagree with the statements. One of the statements here is item question 1. My parents usually visit my school. Strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. For this kind of question, this questionnaire was lengthy than this, but we are selecting few questions because of the purpose of demonstration for practical purpose. Now let's go to our SPSS. So click on your SPSS to launch it. If you have opened your SPSS, SPSS interface will open this way. Here we have the come down. Here you are going to see data view and variable view. These two views are very important for our analysis. We're going to begin our entering of data from the variable view. Variable view is where you enter the data set. Now let's subdivide this SPSS window, let's subdivide system window into two. Let's do it this way, SPSS one part, and then the questionnaire, the other parts, to simplify the process for us. So we can easily see the questions. Now, this is our interface. Always remember to begin entering of the data from the variable view and not from data view. From variable view is important if you have a questionnaire to enter. So the first question we have here is under social demographic characteristics section A, question 1A. How do we enter it? Come to this place. You see there is nothing on this interface. Everything is empty. But the moment we enter a right up here, it will automatically give us items. Now let's go there. This is question 1. Let's go to our questionnaire. Question 1. Age at last birthday. Now, and that is section A. So let's give here A. Let's call here A 1. That is section A1. age. Section A1 age. So we'll give this question 2 section A2 school type. So this is question A1 age. I want to click somewhere. When you entering it, ensure to not to put space in between, and don't also use begin with number or special character. Just put it, you begin with letter as we have here, A1 age. I'll click outside of it, you see, it shows items. So now let's go to the question number 2. Let's call it A2 underscore school type. School type. Question number 3, let's call it section A3. Do you like your school? Let's take it here. It's like school. Let's call it. Oh, try to ensure that the variable is a little bit, the name of the variable is a little bit shorter. School type. Let's call it like school. Like school. We're just shortening that. You can use whatever you like. Then question 4. Let's A4 underscore school description. So we give it school description. All right. We can expand here. And then let's go to the section B. Section B here. You have here in section B, we have my parents usually visit my school, strongly agree, disagree. Now, how do we enter this? So let's come here. Let's give this place. Let's call it B because it's section B. B1 underscore parents visits. Let's call it parents visits. Parent visits. Parent visits school. Okay, now one thing I want you to take note is that if you intend to share this questionnaire data set, SPSS data set with other people that are using maybe Stata or other software, please ensure that you make everything here to be in small letter. That is, use low cases. Because if you use capital letter in some or uppercase this as it is, you may not be able to share the data set. I'm only using it here because of for easy demonstration and practical visualization. So if you are sharing with someone, but if you are using SPSS or you intend sharing with someone else who is using SPSS, you may not really have any problem. SPSS does not really place value or attention on whether you are using uppercase or lowercase in entering your data under the name, that is variable name.